how you guys doing today? So we are here currently working in our backyard. We are actually making a fireplace right there. As you guys might be able to see, we took out 21 pieces of stones that they were on the floors, you know, right where my dad is working at. And we went ahead and bought some of these stones, as you guys can see. They're really nice. I like that design, and it's really dope. You guys might be asking yourself, why are we doing a fireplace outside? Well, it's, you know, because winter is coming, and you know, it's not like a electric fireplace. It's a wood fireplace. You know, wherever we're cold, we just put throw wood, turn it on the fire, good to go. We're gonna be doing all of this, as you guys know. I think I talked on one of my videos. I did talk about this. I'm not sure. We're actually breaking from here to all the way there. We're gonna be picking up here, I believe, in around 2 weeks. We're gonna be picking up 5 pallets of stones. And it's not the same design. It's kind of the same color, but it's like a 3-piece design. You guys will see in a video upcoming, and that's when we are gonna put the GNC Savannah to the test. But as you guys can see here, we already started breaking in. There's the rocks, you know. It was easy to break this. You just have to grab this. You know, it's 20 pounds, so it's not gonna be easy to film and break this as we do it. So yeah, that's not gonna happen. You need to put a lot of effort to do this. You need to do it with 2 hands, as you guys might have tell. I did it with 1 hand. It was almost impossible to break it. I mean, like, I didn't even break it. But with that being said, as you guys saw there, we only have like, I believe, like 40 pieces of those stones that we bought. We got some more sitting right here. Holy shit, that is a lot. That's like, I believe that's our 300 in total. It is a lot, and you guys might be wondering what truck did we carry that at. We did actually carry on the GNC Savannah. I did not film it because my dad went alone. He went with my aunt when I was with my uncle filming a video. A lot of people were asking when am I going to release my uncle's BMW video, which I mentioned on the previous video. That video should be going live, I believe, on Friday. I'm not sure when. I believe from Friday or Saturday, I'm not sure.